It's choreographed by O'Reilly and Maggie Gallagher. It is a 32 count, 4-wall, absolute beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn your superstar. Section 1, you're going to start on your left foot. We are going to walk forward, right, left, right, and then you're going to point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to walk back, left, right, left, and point your right toe to the right side. So let's try that with some counts, doing your walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do step point forward and back. So we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly over your left and point your left toe to the left side. We're now going to step our left foot back and slightly behind our right and point your right toe to the right side. We're going to do a jazz box quarter turn, so you're going to cross your right over your left. Make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side and then step your left foot forward. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We just did our point out to the side. You're going to do your step point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, we're going to step our right foot to the right side. As you step to the right, you're going to angle your body to the left so that you're facing the 130 diagonal. And then we're going to bounce our left heel 3 times. Bounce, bounce, bounce. We're now going to step to the left. And as you step to the left, you're going to angle your body to the right so that your body is facing 430, and you're going to bounce your right heel 3 times. Bounce, bounce, bounce. So let's try that with some counts. We just finished our jazz box. You're stepping to the side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. We're going to step out, out, in. We're going to step our right foot forward into the right diagonal. Step your left foot into the left diagonal. Step your right foot back and then step your left next to your right, taking weight onto your left foot. We're now going to step our right foot slightly forward into the right diagonal. So you're going to be slightly angled, and now we're going to bump our hip forward, back, and that is the whole dance. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're stepping out, out, in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your walk. So it's walk, 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 point, back, 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 point, step, point, back, point, jazz, box, quarter, turn, step, side, bounce, 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 step, side, bounce, 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 out, out, in, step, hip bump, forward, back, back. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now let's talk about the ending. Wall 11 is going to be your final wall. You'll be facing 6 o'clock to start wall 11. You'll dance the full 32 counts, bringing you to 9 o'clock. And all you're going to do is when you finish your hip bumps and you're back on that left foot, we're just going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side so that you end facing 12 o'clock. You can do a little bit of a pose if you would like, however you would like to end, as long as you're turning to the front. That is how you will end it to face 12 o'clock. So now let's go around. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left, you're starting with your walk. So it's walk, 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 point, back, 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 point, step, point, back, point, jazz box, quarter, turn, step to the side and bounce. Step to the side and bounce. Out, out, and in. Now hip bump, forward, back, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Walk with a point, back with a point. Step, point, back, point. Jazz box quarter, turn step to the side and bounce your heel. Step to the side, bounce your heel. Out, out, in, and hip bumps forward, back, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with the tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like, so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn You're a Superstar. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.